Assalamualaikum. As Ramadan approaches, many Muslims seek guidance on how to prepare for this blessed month. To help, we have an esteemed guest with us today. Assalamualaikum Muhammad Abbasi.
Walaikum assalam.
Could you share some insights on how Muslims should prepare for Ramadan?
Absolutely. Preparing for Ramadan should be both spiritual and practical. Spiritually, we should start increasing our acts of worship, reciting the Quran, making dua, and repenting sincerely. Practically, organizing our schedule, planning meals, and setting personal goals.
What is the significance of fasting during Ramadan?
Fasting in Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It's an act of obedience and devotion to Allah, through which Muslims develop self-discipline, patience, and gratitude.
Many people struggle with maintaining their spirituality throughout the month. What advice would you give to stay consistent in worship?
That's a great question. Consistency is key in Ramadan. Start with small but sincere efforts. Establish a habit of praying on time, reciting even a few verses of Quran daily, and engaging in dhikr.
Sahur, pre-dawn meal, and iftar, breaking the fast, are important moments in fasting. What are the recommended sunnah practices during this time?
Yes, the Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of suhoor and said, "Have suhoor, for in suhoor there is blessing." It is also sunnah to delay suhoor closer to Fajr. For iftar, breaking the fast as soon as the adhan of Maghrib is heard.
How can Muslims maximize the last 10 nights of Ramadan, especially seeking Laylatul Qadr?
The last 10 odd nights are the most sacred part of Ramadan, as Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree, falls within them. Allah describes it in the Quran as khayrum min alfi shahr, better than 1,000 months. During these nights, increase acts of worship, engaging in prolonged prayers, reciting the Quran, and make abundant dua, especially the dua taught by Prophet, peace be upon him. Allahumma innaka afoon tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni.
What should be our mindset as Ramadan ends?
As Ramadan ends, we should continue our good habits and not return to old ways.
Jazakallah khairah for your valuable guidance. Any final advice for Muslims welcoming Ramadan?
May Allah bless all of us in this holy month. Enter Ramadan with sincerity, make the intention to improve spirituality, and strive to earn Allah's pleasure.